All the people with the backwards attitude, pointing fingers, and that's a bad excuse for sitting on your ass when you complain. Stupid things that you don't want to change. You ain't got no time for me, and I ain't got no sympathy for you.
Visible with the naked eye, a giant ship is passing through the Cape Cod Canal. Based on its angle of travel, we know that it has not yet made the turn, so it is less than 3 3/4 miles away. My 75-foot elevation observation position is recorded on official charts, observable as a small circle on chart 13230, the official NOAA chart for Buzzards Bay. The green line marks the shipping lane. The lane makes a distinct turn at channel marker 10, marked with a red sticker. Here we find our ship having made the turn, and hence in 3/4 view from our angle. Several stories tall, the ship displays features towards the top that form a visual U shape that represent about 1/3 of the distance to the waterline. We watch our large ship pass above the channel marker it minded in making its turn minutes earlier. Still ahead, we see a green channel marker marked on our chart as channel marker number 9. Noted on my chart with the green sticker, this green buoy is approximately 6.6 nautical miles away from our point of observation. The small boats do not need to mind the channel marker as they have a much shallower draft. Here our ship passes below the green channel marker. It is now at 6.6 nautical miles, about halfway to its next turn. Now nearly invisible to the naked eye, the ship appears to be sitting on the horizon. Although the image of our ship has become a little blurry, we can still observe its wake along with the beginning of a reflection or mirror line. The mirror line is the waterline of the boat, and the proportions of the boat remain the same. At this point, our large ship appears to be traveling directly away from us. Here we note our large ship makes another turn from going directly away from us towards a slight angle westward. That means our ship is now at a distance of approximately 10 nautical miles, marked here on our chart in yellow. Consider the crossing motorboat. It may be from this angle that we receive not only a reflection off the water, but also one off the mist layer lying just over the surface. Our giant ship has begun to resemble an impressionist painting. Although not initially significant, as the boat continues to shrink into the distance, the portion that will fall underneath the mist layer will continue to rise. Passing watercraft highlights the fact that the inferior mirage of our giant boat is interrupted by the wavefront edge, and also how much smaller our giant craft has appeared to become. A barge passes behind our boat as it approaches channel marker 9. Notice how the wake it leaves creates waves that appear and disappear within the mirror line area. It is very clear that now the boat is invisible to the naked eye. Here our large ship passes above and behind the green channel marker number 9. This point can be observed on our chart. This means our ship is approximately 13¾ nautical miles away. Although more of our boat is subject to the distortion, the metal superstructure to the right of the smokestacks is still square and level. I zoom out again, just in case someone thought it was within view the last time. A small craft passes with bow wake and mirror line. Now our ship passes above and beyond channel marker number 10. A ship of sufficient draft to be constrained to the channel could do so at a distance no less than 18 nautical miles. A smaller craft with bow wake and mirror line eclipses our giant ship in the distance. Our giant ship has now become a tiny smear. I did zoom out to test whether I could recover it from over the curve, and I was successful, although when I tried the trick again, I found I could no longer identify it. 5 minutes have passed since our ship passed channel marker number 10. And 5 minutes remain on this tape, in which the boat is still visible. It is a question of how much further the boat has traveled, but if indeed it is traveling eastward, or south, more eastward than it was, it has taken another turn, and in fact is now much more than 20 nautical miles away.